At just 15 kilometers per hour, aerodynamic drag accounts for over 50% of your total resistance, meaning your bag setup determines your daily mileage limit more than your fitness.
Many endurance cyclists ignore aerodynamics, assuming it only applies at race speeds. However, because you are on the bike for 12 to 16 hours, a small drag penalty accumulates into a massive calorie deficit.
The primary enemy is CDA, or the coefficient of drag times frontal area. Traditional panniers act as air brakes, expanding your frontal profile horizontally where wind resistance is most punishing.
By switching to a handlebar roll, you keep the gear within the rider's existing silhouette. This reduces the A in our drag equation to almost zero additional penalty. Moving to the rear, a seat pack functions differently than a pannier. It acts as a fairing, smoothing the turbulent air that detaches from the rider's back and glutes.
This effectively creates a virtual tail, reducing the low-pressure suction zone dragging you backward. Bulky side panniers, conversely, create two massive new turbulent wakes.
Now, consider the rolling resistance equation. Off-road, we balance hysteresis energy loss in the rubber against vibrational suspension losses.
High pressure on gravel causes impedance loss. The bike bounces over micro bumps, wasting forward momentum. You need the breakpoint pressure where the casing deforms just enough to absorb vibration without collapsing. Avoid backpacks at all costs. While aerodynamically neutral, they raise your center of gravity and compress the perineal arteries, accelerating fatigue. This is a biomechanical failure, not an aerodynamic one.
Finally, stability equals efficiency. A swaying saddlebag wastes kinetic energy moving side to side rather than forward. You need fabrics with high tensile modulus and rigid internal spines.
The verdict: use a handlebar roll to cut frontal area, a rigid seat pack to smooth the wake, and optimize tire pressure to match surface impedance. Save the watts for the climb.
Streamline the front, stabilize the rear, extend your range.